AliExpress hair, y'all. The ends, once the heat touch the ends of that hair, it's a wrap. So I got my ball cap on, got my makeup on. Now I'm about to put the makeup on the lace. You know, get it real nice and douse that makeup, but not too much though. Okay, now I used to put the makeup on this side, but I no longer do that because it just make it look cakey to me. For some reason, I just like it better when it's just on the outside. So I'm about to show y'all how it look, which is one side of the makeup. Let me see if I can get y'all close to. Yeah, see that? Yeah. Okay. Finish working. Right, so I have to stop because somebody need to go to bed to keep crying. Yeah, I'm talking about you. So I'm gonna be back. I might be in a different outfit because this gonna be a different day. Maybe. We'll see. delayed, and it's still delayed. I have to get ready to curl my hair because my baby just don't want to do right. So, you know, I'm gonna curl my hair when I put him down, and then I guess I'll be back with the rest of the video. This is what trying to do your hair and have a 4-month-old looks like realistic. He was in the other room, couldn't help y'all. So now I'm trying to put him to sleep because he's sleeping. He just don't want to go. So yeah, I'll be back. I'm like trying to make me feel away. Y'all see, I got my hair done. I did my hair. I curled it yesterday, but it didn't turn out how I really wanted it to. Y'all, I have to cut some more layers into it. This gonna be the end of the video. I just braided it because I was at work and it looked at a fool because I slept on it last night and I didn't do nothing to it this morning. So this is how it's looking overall. I had the hair in my head for about how many days now, and y'all, I ain't gonna lie, I done been on ALIEXPRESS for the longest time. Since I was in high school, which has been about 4 or 5 years now, and y'all, I ain't never had no good 613 hair from them. Normally, after you do what you gonna do to it, it be fried and dried. Baby, this hair, no ma'am. As y'all can see, the ponytail is a moving, honey. This is the best quality 613 hair I done had from ALIEXPRESS. Now, I ain't saying it's the best hair ever, but for ALIEXPRESS, this is the best quality I've ever had. And the only thing about ALIEXPRESS hair, y'all, the ends, once the heat touch the ends of that hair, it's a wrap. That's just every wig I done had from ALIEXPRESS. It's just been a wrap unless it's curly hair. Even then, curly hair from ALIEXPRESS has its pros and cons as well. But this hair is the best hair I done had, 613 hair I done had from ALIEXPRESS ever since I can remember. I've been ordering hair. I've never had this grade of 613 hair. And I'm not just bullshit. I'm not just talking. Y'all can look through my channel and y'all can see all the other 613 reviews I done did. Well, I think I only got one on here. But like, I kept it real. I told y'all the hair was shedding, the hair was tangling, the hair was like, I ain't got no reason to lie to y'all. I be getting these wigs with my own money because I be really wanting to tell y'all the real. These influencers, they gonna tell you whatever just so you can buy and, you know, use their link. But baby, the girls who's really on a budget, baby, they ain't got no time to be trying to, you know, test and sample hair and getting bad hair because the influencer just want some money, you feel me? So, like I said, y'all, this the best hair I done had. It took the color very well. I only did one bottle of Funky Yellow with the Kiss Temptation. I had another Kiss bottle, but it's in like the black bottle. I had some old dye from a previous client, and I used some of it as well. I also go in with the with the Crystal Clear and put it just so the hair can have a little shine to it. You know, you see the little shine. Overall, the hair is good. Besides the ends, I did have to cut the ends, but the hair is pretty long. Let me show you. This is how long the hair is on me. If you're taller than me, which most likely you are, it's gonna be a nice length on you. And I did cut the ends to this hair because it was fried, so it's actually was a little bit longer. I cut about an inch off of this hair, so it probably was a little bit longer than this. So yeah, this is a 13x6 frontal. The frontal part stops right here on the sides, and it stops right here on the back part. Back here, it comes back here, y'all, but it stops right here like the rest of the frontal part. So all the rest of this in the back is tracks. It's 220% density. Now the thickness is what I have a problem with, because you pay extra for thickness, but it's really not on the thick side, and that's what I don't like. That was my only problem. Besides the ends of the hair and the thickness of the hair, it was not really thick for real. I really could have got a 180. This looked like maybe 180% density. This is the 220. Imagine what 180% density would have been. So I guess, y'all, it's not that bad. I'm gonna sell this wig, but I do plan on I am gonna sell this wig, but I do plan on buying another 613 wig from them, because this is grade A for AliExpress, for real. I haven't had a wig like this, good quality, in a while. And I ain't gonna lie, y'all, I do be getting some good wigs, because I pay for my wigs. I don't like, being cheap. If you want to buy this wig, follow me on Facebook, because that's where I'll be putting it and selling it. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, of course, if you guys want to see more content.